Good morning, students. So this is Sushil Misra, and today we are going to study application of set or application of Venn diagram. Whatever we have studied in this chapter, in set chapter, we are going to apply for the some numericals. So I am taking very first question, that is what? That is, if S and T are the two sets such that there are 21 elements in S, 32 elements in T, and 11 element is in S intersection T, how many elements are there in S union T? So first of all, we should know, we will use one formula that is common, will transfer and will shift and will use. So the formula is what? Suppose N A union B is always equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So with the help of this formula, we are going to solve so many questions. With the help of this formula is what? Again I am repeating, that is N A union B is equal to NA number of element in first set plus NB number of element in second set minus NA intersection B. Whatever will be common on both the section, that must be subtracted from the sum of both the numbers of elements of both the sets. So as I read the question, if in so question is what? There are 21 element in set S, so N S I am writing, that is 21 is given. Then what is given? 32 elements in T, so N T I am writing, that is 32. And what is given? Common is given, that is 11. And S intersection T is equal to 11. So and we have to find N S union T. This we have to find. So as usual, by using what? N S union T is equal to NS plus NT minus NS intersection T. That is very simple. So NS is what? 21 plus NT is what? 32 minus 11. So this will be what? 53 minus 11. So answer will be what? 42. Answer will be 42. So this will be your answer of your first question. If one more thing, as you know, we have studied Venn diagram. So this is application part of Venn diagram also. So suppose this is U, universal set, and this is set A, or you can say set S, and this is set T. How many number are there? 21. And how many in T? 32. But and both is what? 11. So listen, 11 is common to both. So how many total numbers are there? S union T. If we will count S union T will be what? So sum of these two minus this one. Why this one we are subtracting? If we are once only we can count. If we are counting in S set, then we cannot count in T set because it has already counted. So this part must be subtracted, but once only this part must be subtracted because it is coming twice. So once we are calculating whether we are taking in one S set or whether we are taking in T set, no problem. But twice we cannot take. So once we have already taken, and twice that part we are subtracting. So this is what? This is simply we are using Venn diagram for the same question. Now we will take next question, one more question if we can see. So I am just erasing this question. So very next question is what? So one important question, that is, it is given NU equal to, another question, NU is equal to, it is given NU equal to 300, N A equal to 200, then NB equal to 300, and NA intersection B is 100, and A intersection B is equal to 100. So we have to find, look at here, we have to find NA complement intersection B complement. Again very important, A complement intersection B complement. Suppose here number of elements are given. If it was in the form of roster form, if the elements were given, then we could find easily. We could have taken complement of A and we could have taken complement of B, and whatever is common on both we can write. But here we have to find with the help of formula. We have to find with the help of formula. So we are going to start solution. So we'll start with an A intersection, and A complement intersection B complement. It can be written as an A union B whole complement. It can be written as an A union B whole complement. Why? Because from the De Morgan's law we have studied an A complement intersection B complement. You can remember this intersection will become union. This intersection will become union. So this can be written, and this is what complement means. What? Which should not be present in A union B. Complement of any set is what? That should not be present in the given set in which we are finding complement. For which we are finding complement. Suppose for A, we are finding for A, so the element A complement will be what? The element which is not present in A, Suppose one more example we can take, like if A set is set of all the vowels. If A is what? Set of all the vowels, and union is what? All the alphabetical A to Z element. So what will be A complement? We will remove all the vowels and will take only all the consonant part. So here this will be what? This will be from universal set we will subtract an A union B. We will subtract n u minus n A union B, because if whatever has come in A union B, that element we cannot count. So it is now, this has become very simple. And u is given what? Oh sorry, this is 700. Okay, don't make mistake. So this is what? 700 minus n A union B. As you know, NA plus NB minus n A intersection B. So this will be 700 minus value of NA is what? NA is 200, NB is 300 minus this is 100. So this will come 700 minus this is 5 minus 1, that is 400, and this will be 300. So N A complement intersection B complement is coming 300. So this will be your answer. So now you can solve your last exercise, your miscellaneous. Some of the questions are given, some of the very interesting questions are also given in your reference book, whether it is of CBSE, whether it is of state book, and you can post your comment. You can ask me whatever doubt you are arising, because in very next video we are going to start our next chapter, that is what? Relation and function. Thank you.